Good morning, party people. I am still in the B-More area. Today I'm supposed to help Jose. He has a garage, so if it rains, we'll be fine. Yesterday I finished helping Mark and tried to connect with Devin, but wasn't able to find Devin. I was sending him a text message. I'm gonna try to call him today. Not sure what's going on there. Maybe he don't like text messages. Anyway, got plenty to do. I'm gonna go by Salvage yard, try to pull some parts that Jose needs, and maybe a few things to help a few other enthusiasts with, and man, keep it rolling. So looks like I'll be here another couple days, then I'll be headed south. So appreciate you guys watching. If you want to connect, call or text. May have a couple meet and greets later today. We'll see how that goes, but I'll be busy. Had to get up a little earlier today, and it's not that cold, so I'll be fine. Doing good. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day. Go find me a little corner to tinker on Panther. I really don't have room in this car to take this fender and door anywhere. So, I'm going to try to replace this stuff and leave it here next to the dumpster. All kind of deterrents. I come out here, the police is at the hotel, a guy's out here sweeping up little stuff out here. I'll see if anybody bothers me. Hopefully nobody will bother me. I'll be able to get this done. Take this off by pulling the latch, pulling those two screws out, get that handle off so I can put my handle on there because the key won't work. Passenger side door. Crap. Steve took the hinges off instead of just pulling the pin under it. So I gotta swap these hinges out. I'm gonna have a heck of a time getting that adjusted right. Should just pull that little pin out. So let me get to working on that. I got my fender on, my door on. Didn't get my mirror on, forgot that. Got my tire on, gotta get this corner light on and get out of this room. Been cruising around with that dent since I got this car. Jack fall dent. Now I am dentless. Just gotta clean this fender and door up, put my mirror on there, I'll be good to go. I think Diane got better tint too. Almost ashamed of it, but I had this door tied up and taped up to get it to Harry's You Pull and Pay, Allentown. Harry's You Pull and Pay, Allentown. They're off the ground, folks. This is road 202. Road 202 has nothing on this list, but there's clearly a Volvo over there, so that's telling me their inventory is busted. So, what's happening? XC70. They don't even got one of these on the list. It looks like it's got a rear cargo net. Another Volvo down here. Don't look like it's on the list. I asked the guy for all the Volvos. Oh man. My tools are locked down, so even if I found something, I don't know if I can get it. 2001. There's two Volvos ain't on the sheet. Diane is patiently waiting for me out in the car. I am just checking out, doing reconnaissance. I do need a trunk key cover from a S70. They say they got one here. Road 213. Here's S60, S80. Is that on the list or not? Yeah, 2002 S60. Getting a lot of messages, man. All that buzzing sound you guys hear are people sending messages. Alright, so I'm gonna hit this row. I can see 4 rows from here. Looking for S70. There's that 940 on here. That's a 209 940. 213 S70. What's this? S80 right here. 2002 S60. 205. Heck, I don't know where road 213 is. Oh man. Is there road 213? Let's go check out what this S90 got. Oh, 213 may be over there. Crushing area. .940 series, red block. Oh, the guy I was talking to last night has a 940. Alright. More messages. Good Lord. Man, I don't even know what row I'm on. They ain't even got this stuff. Dang it. Crazy bug was crawling on my neck. Them stupid, colorful beetle things. Hope it didn't bite me. I guess they don't bite. They just land on people and irritate people. Pretty bugs though. Very pretty. There's an S90 there in the crush pile. About to get crushed. S80. Road 211. Maybe 213's over here. There's this S40. There's that S70 I was looking for. No trunk at all. It's an SE too. If I had the trunk, I was going to try to get the cover. But it's gone. 99, baby. Let me see if I can find a wheel centerpiece for my car. I'm missing one off of Panther. One of these blue, colorful wheel centerpieces. Yeah, those are rent and roll wheels. Strike 2. There's a couple more. I forgot to check that 940 for anti-sway bars. Thought there was another Volvo over here. Yeah, I guess not. Let me go check these over here. Need a hubcap for Panther. Kicking off the Tinker evening, Elizabethtown PA. Garrett has a 99 T5 manual. It's having timing codes. Looking at the bolt down there, somebody's had this hub off. So there's a chance that the timing is actually off. It's given an advance code. We're going to retard the timing 2 teeth and then bring the hub forward 1 tooth, roll it over a few times and see if it's okay. If it is, we're going to drive it, see if the code goes away. If not, we're going to roll the hub adjustment back that other tooth and see if the code goes away. So we're going to back that exhaust cam up 2 teeth and bring the hub forward 1 tooth, see if that gets rid of its code. If not, we're going to take it back the other tooth. So let's get cracking on this timing stuff. check the tensioner for an arrow to tell us which way to tension it. I don't see an arrow on that thing. Great. Oh, that might be an arrow. Let's see what it says. Let's try this again. Looking for an arrow on the tensioner. Oh, it's too dark. See anything? No, it's got a light on it. He's having the exhaust cam advance error message. He advanced the cam more, that didn't clear it. He retarded it all the way, that didn't clear it. He replaced the solenoid, that didn't clear it. So what we did, we went on ahead and adjusted timing back 2 teeth to see if that's going to clear the code. So basically he had retarded it 1 tooth and that didn't clear it, so now we're 2 teeth back. Maybe that'll clear it. So could be a bad hub. He replaced the solenoid and he's got the solenoid wired up to the correct wires. Number 1 going to the green wire, number 2 going to the brown wire with the, I guess, yellow stripe on it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.